Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Toncoin address tag not showing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So whenever we try to send and receive our Toncoin to and from our Tonkeeper wallet, we usually face the error that says the tag or the address tag is not showing over here. So how you can actually fix this issue? So if you tap on the send button, and here if you paste the address, it will ask you to provide the address tag as well. So in some of the exchanges like Binance, you can get the address tag very easily. If you use any other exchanges, like if you use Bybit and BitGet, you don't need to actually have the address tag option. They give you the address tag option, but that is optional. So you can use Binance in order to find the address tag or any other exchanges in which the address tag option is optional, like Bybit in order to send and receive your Toncoin into the Tonkeeper for it. So that's basically how you can fix Toncoin address tag not showing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.